Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix Roblox Error 600 on mobile. Alright, so let's begin with the video. This error usually appears as a join error with a message like, "You were banned from this experience by the creator." Essentially, it means the developer of that specific game has banned your account. For example, you play a game like Don't Crushed by 67, and Roblox is enforcing that restriction. You can still play other games, but the banned game will remain inaccessible until the developer lifts the ban. To try to resolve it, first open the game that shows error code 600. Scroll down to find the developer's name, for example, Dig a Tunnel Studios, tap on it, then Join Community. After joining, tap View Community, scroll down and tap on Forms and post a message explaining your situation, such as, "I received the 600 ban. Can you lift it?" This notifies the developers and they may reinstate your access. If the community is large, they might not notice your message immediately. In that case, try reaching out via other platforms. Search for the developer's social media, for example, type Dig a Tunnel Studios Roblox on X, or check the Roblox wiki. Contacting them directly on these platforms can increase your chances of having the ban lifted. And that's it. So that is how you can fix Roblox Error 600 on mobile. So that's all for this video. Thanks.